My name is Mario Almonte from the Providence, Rhode Island branch. I've been with Keller for about 19 years. Started off as a laborer, chuck tending in front of a drill rig, and little by little I picked up drilling. I mainly worked with one driller for most of my career as a laborer, and he kind of took me under his wing and taught me the ropes, and then I transitioned into drilling and running the drill rigs. You're never in one place too long, so you're always challenged by new jobs, new crews that you work with. You get to meet new people, you get to do a little traveling. As you finish one project, you're rolling into something new, so there's always a new challenge around every corner with every project you do. Nothing is really ever the same. Even though the application you might do on the job is the same, the job itself is always different, so there's always that new challenge on every job you go to.